So I gained access today to Manus, and we're going to test it out together. Let's see. I got into Manus. I got my invitation that I'm in, and here we go. There's so many things. This is an agentic platform, and it is apparently autonomous agents. So let's see. Learn how Manus handles real-world tasks through step-by-step replays. All right, so all sorts of things, B2B supplier sourcing, research on AI products for the clothing industry, online store operation, YC companies, etc. Very cool. I'm going to test this one since I do a lot of courses and I wanted to automate more specific courses, by person, by role, all of that, and by their learning. Let's see what it does here. So this is a generic one, and it says, I'm a middle school physics teacher preparing to teach the law of conservation of momentum. Could you create a series of clear and accurate demonstration animations and organize them into a simple presentation HTML? All right, so let's break down this prompt that we started with. You're telling Manus here what you are, sort of giving it an idea. It's almost a role, right? So it's almost a role. It's saying, I'm a middle school physics teacher. So we want a role, and we're saying what we're doing. We're preparing to teach the law of conservation. So we're further really integrating into the LLM, the prompt here, what we're interested in doing. And then it has an ask, could you create a series of clear and accurate demo animations? Okay, so this is the output we want. So we're telling it the output. And then we're furthermore asking to organize them into another output format, which is a simple presentation HTML. All right, so here we go. Look, it just did that. And the amount of time it took me, actually it took it less time than it took me to explain that prompt. Let's go ahead. All right, so I clicked it, the zip, and then it created this directory, which you will see it's a HTML file. HTML files, if you don't know, are web files. This is the JavaScript images and the styles here. So if you wanted to test it out, you would double click on the index HTML and voila, here we go. This is what it created in that very, very short period of time. Now, note, the person knew the format they wanted. Wow, ball collision demo. Let's pause. Let's decrease the red ball's velocity and increase the red ball's mass. And let's try now. Wow. And it's giving us all of this information. It says, what's happening? This animation demos the basic principles of conservation of momentum. The total momentum of the system remains the same before and after the collision. Momentum is calculated and it gives the calculation, and it talks about all this amazing stuff. So it has basic collisions, elastic ones. Let's see what this is. Boing. Don't you want that noise? Boing. Inelastic ones. Let's take a look. Explosions. Boom. And some real world examples. Let's play a game of pool, where we can look at rockets. How about ice skaters? This is fantastic. It did this all on its own. There it is for you. I'll continue to create and upload.